Are you having trouble with your iPhone not showing emails in your inbox? This issue can arise from various factors, including network issues, app glitches, or incorrect settings. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve problem to ensure your inbox displays all your emails correctly. So let's get started. Solution 1. Force close the Mail app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, or double-click the Home button on older iPhones. Find the Mail app, swipe up on the Mail app preview to close it, restart your iPhone, reopen the Mail app. Solution 2. Check network connection and refresh your inbox. Open browser, type fast.com, try to check your internet speed. If it's low, enable airplane mode to wait a while and turn it off. Also, try to switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. After that, open the Mail app, go to your inbox, pull down from the top to refresh and sync your email. Solution 3. Verify email account settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and find and tap Mail. Tap Accounts, select the affected email account. Ensure that all settings such as server settings and ports are correct. Turn on and off iCloud Mail. Open Settings, tap App ID at the top, scroll down, tap iCloud, find Mail, and toggle it off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset and select Reset Network Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix issues with your iPhone not showing emails in your inbox. If the problem continues or you need further assistance, feel free to ask for more support.